Hi, I'm Maggie Love, the founder of SheFi, and today I'm going to show you how to download the Base app on your mobile phone. SheFi partnered with Base app because we believe trading shouldn't need permission from banks. Here's how you download it. First, I'm going to go to the App Store on my phone and search Base app. It's going to say Base app, formerly Coinbase wallet. And then I'm going to select download, or in my case, since I've had it downloaded before, click on the cloud with the arrow. Once it's downloaded, I'll select open. Now the Base app is opening. Next, I'm going to select create a wallet. Next, I'm going to select how I want to sign in and how I want to recover my wallet. You can use a passkey or you can use your email. Be sure if you use your email, it is super secure. That means you have 2FA or two-factor authentication on your email. If your email is only secured by a password, I would choose a passkey instead. Now I'm going to confirm it's me by getting a 6-digit code from my email. Then I'm going to enter in the 6-digit code. Now I'll choose my Base name. This is my username on the Base app. I'm going to do Maggie Woo. Then I'm going to select claim. And that's how you set up your Base wallet.